Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can bulk download your AI art images from Midjourney. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So here you can click on Home, and you notice that there's an archive button on the right. So let's click on it. Now here we are going to see all the images that you have in Midjourney. So what you can do is you can scroll through your images here and select the ones that you want to download. Now you can click on the plus icon to select all the images that you have on that date. Now after that, you can click on Open Downloader, and here you can see that we have a zip file. Now click on Download All, and your images will be downloaded to your local device. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.